You want to start your business in France, but you don't know where to begin? Choosing the right legal structure,
the tax system,
registering with Social Security,
creating legal documents. It is complex, especially when you are not in France.
At LC Finance, we offer a complete paid service that takes care of the entire setup for you.
Optimal legal statutes, tax guidance, preparation of all legal documents.
Full registration with official institutions. You get your French company created from A to Z, smoothly and securely.
To understand the full process, we have prepared a 4-minute video showing the 12 steps to create a company in France as a foreigner and how we manage everything for you.
If you need more information, you can contact us for a free initial conversation. And when you're ready, we take care of the full company creation. If you have questions or need more information, contact us anytime.
We are available 24/7.